It's NAB 2025, and I'm here on the Telycam stand speaking to Ivy, one of 3 videos we've been doing here, and now we're talking about, well, the smaller cameras.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's for the live production, live
Okay.
streaming
Live streaming.
solution. Yeah. So here are our Vision series for the live streaming, live production solutions. Usually they need like more compact, smaller cameras,
Yeah.
but also do not compromise the quality. So the Vision series, we've got the PTZs and we've also got the box camera.
Yep.
For the PTZs and the box camera, they are all 4K 60p, and they all have NDI-HX and HDMI for the 4K 60p simultaneously. And for the Vision Plus PTZ cameras, you've got choices for optical zooms from 12, 20 to 30 times.
Okay.
And for the box camera, wherever you need like a fixed view for sports or gaming, it's a perfect solution. And if you combine them, like multiple PTZs and multiple box cameras, it's gonna be a good mobile solution if you always like fly to other place doing a production for different companies.
Yeah. Put yourself a little fly pack together in a case, bang, off you go. And I have to say, you know, we saw the box camera for the first time probably last year.
Yeah.
With Jenny, and it's very impressive. Just smaller sensor.
Yeah.
Actually, remind me the zoom on the box camera.
The box camera is the 20 times optical
20 times.
zoom, and you've got a side control panel where you can check the IP address. You can scan the QR code, so you are accessible to the web UI, and you can do all the parameters adjustment on the side panel.
Yeah. Brilliant, thank you very much. So let's remind people where they want to go to find out more information if they haven't managed to catch you at NAB this year.
Just go to Telycam.com.
Brilliant. We've done another couple of videos here on the Telycam stand doing their flagship range, the Explore, and also with their partnership with Brainstorm. And for everything else that we've been doing at NAB 2025, it's kitplus.com.